In this video, I will show you how to use ChatGPT to generate a professional project proposal and a concise executive summary. I start by asking ChatGPT to act as a professional writer to help me create a well-structured project proposal template. The AI quickly generates a comprehensive outline that covers essential sections like the problem statement, proposed solution, and expected outcomes. I scroll through the results to ensure the structure is clear and includes everything needed for a decision-maker-ready document. Next, I provide specific details for a new project, asking for a full proposal for an employee wellness program at a mid-sized company. ChatGPT delivers a detailed plan including a budget breakdown, a 6-month timeline, and measurable objectives for the program. This result is highly professional and includes specific action items and projected results that are ready to be presented to management. Finally, I ask ChatGPT to condense this entire proposal into a short executive summary that can be read in under 2 minutes. It successfully highlights the core problem, the proposed solution, and the estimated costs in a few punchy paragraphs. This summary provides a perfect high-level overview while maintaining the impact of the original detailed proposal. If you found this walkthrough helpful for personalizing your own AI workflow, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.